Hi, today we are going to see the ID Now COVID-19 test cartridges unboxing, and also I'm going to give you the introduction about this box. This Abbott ID Now COVID-19 test cartridges are US FDA UA approved. Let me quickly show you the complete box and also then unbox for you actually. Yeah, if you look at we saw the front side, this is the top side, and this is another side. And here you see all the contents of the box. You can see the contents inside the box, which says about the 24 sample receiver, 24 transfer cartridges, 24 test bases, 1 product insert, 24 patient swabs, and 1 positive control swab. And this is the side, and this is the bottom side, and this is the other side. Let me quickly keep this for you. Okay, let's unbox this for you now. Okay, if you look at this box, it has one important product notice. Let me take the product notice for you. One product notice, and there is one fact sheet for healthcare providers. And there is another fact sheet. There is one more fact sheet. There's one more fact sheet for patients. There's another fact sheet. So you can see one fact sheet for the healthcare providers and another fact sheet for the patients, and product notice. And there's, let me pick one. This one. This is the quick reference instructions. So as this box contains one test base, sample receiver, and a transfer cartridge. Okay, here you go. And you have one more product manual. There is one product manual, and you have 24 swab sticks, 24 nasal swab sticks. This is the 24 nasal swab sticks. Let me keep this for you this side. 24 nasal swab sticks and one positive control swab. Here you go. Positive control swab, C certified one. And let me show you the inside. You can see inside the box 24 base and 24 receiver and 24 cartridges. Just take the box out. Here's the this is the 24 boxes. Okay. We'll keep it this side. Okay. I'll just open this. Okay, you can see this, which is the base. So there's a 24 base cartridges inside. The base cartridges individual packs look like this. Here's the base cartridge. Yeah, okay, this is the one. And you have 24 set of one receiver and test cartridges here. Here, this is how it looks like. And here it is. Let me arrange it for you. Okay, this is a quick unboxing of Abbott COVID-19 ID Now test cartridges. Just quickly to summarize, this is the total box how it looks like, and each box contains one fact sheet for the patients, one fact sheet for the health providers, and then one product manual, and there is one positive control swab and product notice, and there is a quick instruction manual, and 24 nasal swab stick, and there is a two boxes. In one of the box it has 24 bases, and another box has 24 receiver and also the cartridges, and this is how it looks like. This is the complete introduction about the COVID-19 ID Now test cartridge box. Thank you.